Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. So now this is afternoon and now I am free. That's why I make this vlog. And guys, I face money problem. That's why I was looking for a job and I got a job offer and I accepted it. After this month I have to go to do my job and I have a soap job offer and I have to stay in a shop from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I have to stay in that shop the whole day. So I will be busy and sometimes I will make videos. Okay. So guys, how are my videos? Let me know in the comment. And guys, I face money problem. So that's why I struggle and I make videos. Besides making videos, I do job. Okay, so please guys support me that I can earn money. Okay, and please support me. And guys, you know that I am learning English and I want to improve my English speaking skills and I want to be good at English. So that's why I come in front of camera to practice my English speaking. So guys, please support me and watch my videos. And how are my videos? Let me know in the comment. If there is any mistake, so please guys forgive me because mistaking is a part of life. I think we know very well. So no problem. If we go to do anything newly, then we may make mistakes. No problem. Making mistakes will be developed. Okay, and will be skillful. No problem. First times we make mistakes. So guys, please support me and watch my videos and please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and share the videos to your other friends that they can watch my videos, and through this channel we will learn lots of things because I want to share spoken English, English grammar, English structure. I want to make videos on these topics. So guys, please subscribe to the channel and we will learn one another through this channel. And if you have any ideas, so you may inform me through the comment box. Okay, no problem. Comment box is open for you. No problem. Whatever you can write in the comment box. No problem. I will try to reply your question. Okay guys. So guys, sometimes I will make videos and 3 videos per week I will try to upload because AI says this you should upload 2 or 3 videos per week if you want to grow your YouTube channel. So I want to make my YouTube channel professional one day. So I should make videos and I should upload 3 videos per day. So that's why I struggle to make videos. Okay guys. So please let me know in the comment how is my English speaking skill. Okay, and guys, I may make mistakes again and again. I say this, but this is very bad thing. If we think that I may make mistakes, so this is very bad thing because guys, what we think that happens to us, this is true. So always we need to be positive and whatever we are doing, we have to do that best way, that there is no mistake. Such way we have to do the work. Okay guys. So guys, please support me. If you don't support me, then I cannot be successful in life. Without support, it is not possible because YouTube does not want to send videos to audience, because which videos get views, YouTube only send that videos to audience because they understand that in that videos there is something that people want to watch. That types of videos YouTube sends to audience. So please, if you watch my videos, So YouTube will promote my videos one day also. Okay. So guys, please support me and please watch my videos for few minutes. That my videos get boost. So guys, thanks for watching. That's all for today. See you again in the next video. So till now, be happy and stay fit. Okay. So thanks for watching.